Your teacher will have shared a folder with you which contains motors, wheels, sensors and a few other things which you can use in your drawings. Your project will most likely consist of some things you have drawn yourself and some things from this shared parts library. You draw things in a tab called a Parts Studio. On the screen you can see a blue base and you can see that the current tab is a Parts Studio. If you want to add a motor, you need to use the Assembly tab. Click on the Assembly tab at the bottom left of your screen. Onshape will open the Assembly tab, which will have nothing in it. When the Assembly tab opens, choose Insert, and when that opens, choose Parts Studio 1 and click the green tick to accept your choice. Then go back to Insert, but this time click Other Documents, go to your Home folder and select Shared with Me. Don't copy what you see on the screen because I own that folder and I have to click Owned by Me. You should then be able to open the Components folder and find the N20 motor. You have the option to bring this in as a collection of parts or as an assembly. Click on Assemblies and choose N20 motor. This is important. If you bring it in as a collection of parts, when you go to move it around, it will fall to bits. If you bring it in as an assembly, the parts will all stay together as you move it around. Once you've got the motor into your assembly, you can move it to its correct position. You usually start by fixing the base so it can't move around. Right-click on the base and select Fix. Now you can click on the motor and use the 3 arrows to move it into position. This process works much more efficiently if you use the View cube to work in the front, top or side views while you move the motor. Note that moving the motor to its correct position does not lock it in place. It can still be dragged around. If you want to lock it in, you need the Fasten command, which we will look at in another video.